Thamsing isn't a brand name. It's a banana cultivar, cherished by Thai farmers, respected by those who know how difficult it is to grow. This fruit doesn't grow by chance. It grows through care, timing, and hard work. In sun, in rain, and in silence. Every bunch carries more than weight. It carries a family's livelihood, a farmer's pride, and a nation's name. At Hampton, we don't force nature, we follow it. No banned chemicals, no shortcuts, just passions and trust in the soil. Before a banana gets packed, it passes through eyes, hands, and hearts. 3 rounds of cleaning, exact sizing, consistent color. Because Japan standards doesn't just want delicious, they want clean, safe, and reliable. They don't rely on paperwork alone. They come here to see the truth with their own eyes. Hampton is more than a label. It's a shared promise between growers and exporters who believe Thai food deserves the world's trust. What's inside each box isn't just fruit. It's the face of a country, the voice of its farmers, and a quiet message from Thailand. We grow with care, we deliver with heart. Hampton, from Thai hands to Japanese hearts. We cultivate stability, move forward together, and build our economy on sustainable standards. ชุมพร Provincial Agricultural Extension Office